Hello everybody, so today I will talk about limits. The topic today I will show the technique how to answer everything in here. Question A, we have the limit s approach to positive infinity. We see that the highest power is about s to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. So we put about the square root of this one. We divide both sides with s to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. You got about 12 minus 5 over s to the power of 2 plus 2 over s to the power of 3 over 1 over s to the power of 3 plus 3 over s plus 3. We know that the limit of 5 over s to the power of 2, you will got about 0. This one go to 0. This one go to 0. And this one go to 0. So we just have number 12 and number 3. And we got about the square root of number 4. And that's about number 2. Now let's go to the next one. We know that this is go to negative infinity. So that means on numerator you got about the positive. On denominator you got about the negative. So we should remember that this one you will got about negative number. Now we divide both sides with s. So we will got about s divided by s, you got about number 1. 1 plus s. And this one s go inside the square root, so that should be about s square plus 1 over s square. S square divided by s square, you got about number 1. This one we keep the same. So you got about 1 plus 1 over s square. The limit of this one you got about 0. This one you got about 0. But we remember that this one they provide a negative. So we got about negative number 1. And this is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. We see that we can do about factorization. So we have s minus 4 and s minus 4. We cancel in here. So we got about the limit. And we got about s over s plus 1 we know that this is about the positive. That means they go from the right. So we have negative number 1. That means this is about negative. From the positive side, negative 1 plus 1, so you go about the positive in here. Negative divide positive, so you go about negative infinity. Because if negative number 1, if x approach to negative number 1, this one very close to number 0. Negative divide to 0, you go about negative infinity. That's why this is about the final answer. And the last one, we have x approach to positive infinity. This one is about the coefficient of the highest power in here. Number 3 is greater than number 0. So that means this is about positive coefficient. X approach to positive infinity with positive coefficient. So this one you go about positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.